do the Q&A now, and I'm going to answer questions, and I might as well have Justine answer questions since she's right here. I'm also going to be putting it on my Insta story while I'm doing it, so let's get started. First question, you can probably answer, is what is your favorite part about you and I?
Do you want me to go first?
Yeah.
My favorite part about you and I is the distance. Like, I enjoy being far away from home and being able to be independent and, like, on my own and not have, like, feeling like I have my parents around a lot and, like, I just have this, like, different life when I'm up here, and I really love that about being up here.
I think for me, I think about all of the, like, people that I've met and the opportunities that I've been given because of, like, being in a sorority or just meeting people in my hall or being in orchestra, being able to go to Brazil, and, like, we're going to Minneapolis in the spring, and just, like, the amazing opportunities that we've received because of being at this college has just been my favorite thing about you and I.
I feel that too.
The next question, Justine, you can answer this first, is what do you want for Christmas?
I think I just want more, like, AST insignia. Just because, like, I feel like I have a lot of t-shirts, but I feel like I don't have, like, a lot of other things. So, like, I want, like, a sweatshirt really badly. Probably, like, on my own, like, paint more canvases to be able to, like, hang around. Probably not in here where I live next year.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Like, being able to hang up more paintings that way because I'll be living by myself, so I will need a lot more decorative items.
I think something that I want most for Christmas is, like, a vlog camera or just a better camera in general.
Yeah.
Because, like, I love my camera that I film on. It's just the quality gets really bad, like, really fast, and I want to, like, do better videos and show, like, better quality videos, and I feel like I could do that with I feel like you can do that with any camera, but I feel like it would be helpful if I had a better camera, because, like, the camera that I film on now is one that's, like, a PowerShot camera, so it's like one of the higher end PowerShot cameras, but it's like a step away from being a DSLR, so it's not a DSLR yet, but I feel like if I got DSLR, I might, like, step up my game a lot. What's your favorite animal?
I don't have a favorite animal.
You don't?
Like, I know what my spirit animal is.
Mm-hmm.
My spirit animal is a bear because I'm a mama bear. With, like, all my friends, so I take care of them and stuff, and they always call me Mama Bear, so that's my spirit animal. I don't think I have a favorite animal.
Mine is a peacock.
No explanation.
No, it's always has been. I mean, I've played a peacock role one time in 4th grade.
I was like, what?
When we did the Jungle Book together, we did,
We didn't do the Jungle Book.
well, yeah, but I did the Jungle Book, and I played a peacock named Moore, like M-O-R. So the next question is, what made you decide to start a vlog? I, like, remember back in my freshman year of high school, I remember we were watching Dancing with the Stars, and Bethany Mota was on it, and she was saying, like, how she was bullied through, like, high school and everything, and by people, and that, like, growing through, like, starting a YouTube channel helped her build her confidence in herself. And I wasn't bullied in high school at all, or, like, not at all, but I, like, was very, like, not confident in myself, and I thought that, like, starting a YouTube channel would help me grow my confidence, and it really has. Like, I didn't think it would actually, but I mean, I've grown in my life in general, and it just, like, reflects on my channel as well, and it's just something that I really love to do and is, like, a really fun hobby to do. I didn't think I would love editing as much as I would, but I really love editing. Yeah, that's why I started a YouTube channel. Yeah.